Yay! This way. Yeah. That way.
Nice kick here. And this one here.
The world is quite mad, and particularly with Brexit, which is very heavy and dense and not that interesting unless you have an enormous interest in the nitty-gritty of it. The nearly election that never was because of the email that may or may not have been seen saga. People just want that little shot of colour in the arm amid all the black and white and the grey. And for one night only, they get it with this. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look. I mean, what are we doing? And it's just an escape from reality. Yeah. And down again. We would have negotiated with the government at considerable length to make sure that they did. I mean, don't forget, didn't Leo change his speech at the Ardèche because of a football match? I mean, what class of Egypt would do something to clash with the toy show?
Arms are sore.
He's really funny and he's really nice. He's like a 5-year-old when it comes to toys.
What are you going to be doing on the toy show tomorrow?
I'm going to be singing.
Are you very excited?
Yeah.
I'm going to be singing, and I'm going to be singing and playing the guitar.
When did you find out that you would be singing on the toy show?
Last month. Yeah.
And what was your reaction?
I felt like I was floating.
And how do you feel when you found out, you know, that you're going to be on it?
Very excited.
My mom was supposed to keep it as a surprise, but my dad couldn't wait, so he just told me.
We've been practicing about 3-4 weeks for 2 days a week.
Do you like the Little Mermaid?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was my favourite Disney movie growing up.
Jade, hold on his hand there.
That's it, looking up everyone. Everyone looking up, big smiles, girls.
I was talking to somebody the other day, said they have to go to a wedding on the toy show now. They don't want to go to the wedding. Somebody else has an office Christmas party and said to me by the end of my chat with them, said, I think I'm just going to call in sick tomorrow. And I've heard people going to weddings go, I do, they do, and just running back to the room to watch the toy show. As I'm going down, I'm going shopping or in the pub, people come up going, I need the tickets. It's like something out of a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, yeah.
People go quite mad.
We do.
No, we do. People here, you're one of them. You go, thanks for the interview. Everyone at the Journal would like tickets for the toy show, or else we're never talking to you again. No, never going to happen. The girl's going, who is this stranger? When can we go home?